Welcome to Intersolar 2026. We are Fox ESS, a big brand supplier battery from Chinese. We have here on our booth, we're starting with the residential products. We have this H3 Smart Series. It's coming from 5 to 15 kilowatt. We have here integrated in this inverter a full backup, three-phase backup systems, and that's make this product really strong. We have 3 MPP trackers, and the start voltage from every MPP tracker is 140 voltage. We have 1 battery input, and the battery input has 15 amps for charge and discharge. So it was really nice to see, in combination with our batteries, this compact battery, EP12, we have a really high efficiency and we have a really high C rate. So we have a 1 C rate and we can so many power, charge and discharge really fast into the batteries. In combination with our stackable battery, with the EQ 3,3 kilowatt hour per model or 5 kilowatt hour per model, we have also a really fast, quick and play systems. We can stackable to 6. So this is optimizing residential product from 5 to 15 kilo kW. You can scalable to 10. And then you can also here scalable the battery EP12 4. And you can also scalable this to 6. In combination with the batteries, we have here a really cheap and high efficiency systems, and this make the system really strong. We have last year win with these systems on the HTV Berlin University battery storage testing, a AAA rate for high efficiency. Here we have also a new product. It's an all-in-one systems. So before I have shown you the H3 Smart Series, we have included now the H3 Smart Series in an all-in-one system with our stackable batteries. Yeah, it's a high new thinking that we not installation with DC cables and communication cables. That's all finished. So you can see it's really easy, plug and play, all-in-one stackable. It's integrated here, the completely full backup system with 63 amps included in the systems. You can see here on this side we have a really nice touch for modern touch for all your settings. You can doing on this, and on this side we have here 3 MPP trackers, and then we have here also the backup and the grid. So this system's coming now with batteries with heating functions. Every battery has now heating functions, and so we can, when minus to 25 to 50 degree, we have the optimizing temperature from this battery systems.
So this is for Northern Europe?
Yes, this is for Northern Europe also, yes, exactly. We have a really high efficiency systems here, and that's make the systems really strong. The next one, what we can show you here is the Avocado Series. We have the Avo 2020 with 2,2 kilowatt, and we have the Avo 28 with 2,8 kilowatt. So it's integrated micro inverter with 4 or 2 panels, and then we have here also a 2 kilowatt hour battery systems directly integration. And you can stackable to 5 also, then we have 10 kilowatt hours capacity. It's really smart to see that you have also here a really quick, fast installation where you have for really at a camper, when you go to your holiday or there, you have here also a plug for coming to put fast out. And when you have make a camping style, is this input, is the systems really, really important, really nice, yeah? The next one what we have is here, the P100 Avocado Series. It's really, really, really nice. Modern design in the glass front. We have Avocado Series. It's 10 kilowatt inverter AC and 10 kilowatt hour battery capacity. We have 2 MPP trackers, and you can also there 4 in parallel, and we have also a full backup systems integrated.